Imagine a digital employee working for you 24/7, no breaks, no sick days, just steady income. Thanks to AI and no-code tools, this is possible right now. We're talking about a system that can realistically earn you an extra $10 a day, $300 a month, $3,650 a year. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a practical, sustainable way to build passive income. You don't need to be a tech genius or invest a fortune, just a clever idea, a few user-friendly tools, and a couple of weekends to set up. The goal, an extra $10 a day enough for daily coffee, a streaming subscription, or a small investment fund. The secret? Use AI to create simple digital products. People want custom meal plans, workout routines, writing prompts, or digital art. Automation tools handle sales, delivery, and even marketing. You design the system, then let it run. We'll break down the tools, the products, and the workflow step by step. Get ready to build your own AI-powered income bot. Let's start your journey to an extra $10 a day. Let's zoom out and see the big picture of your automated side hustle. There are 5 main stages. Choose your tools, create your product, automate the sale launch, and track results. First, pick your tech stack. An AI tool like GPT, a sales platform like Gumroad or Etsy, and an automation tool like Zapier or Pabbly Connect. Focus on free or low-cost no-code tools. Next, design your digital product, something that solves a specific problem for a niche audience. Think AI-generated prompt packs, custom planners, or unique art. Then, build the automation. Connect your tools so a sale triggers product creation and delivery. For example, a Gumroad sale triggers AI to generate a product, saves it to Google Drive, and emails the customer. Once live, use analytics to track sales and tweak your system. If you're not hitting $10/day, adjust pricing, product descriptions, or marketing. This is a cycle of small, continuous improvements. With this blueprint, you're ready to dive into each step. Time to assemble your tech stack, the backbone of your automated business. You'll need 3 layers: the AI brain, the storefront, and the automation glue. For example, OpenAI for AI, Gumroad for sales, and Zapier for automation. OpenAI's API lets Zapier send requests to generate content. Setup is simple and costs are minimal. Gumroad is your storefront. Set up a product page, set your price, and let Gumroad handle payments and checkout. Gumroad can trigger automations when a sale is made. Zapier connects everything. When a sale happens, it tells OpenAI to generate the product. You can add steps, save the AI's output to Google Docs, then email the customer. Setting this up is visual and beginner-friendly, no coding required. You're literally building your automated employee by clicking through simple steps. With these tools, you're ready to create a seamless, hands-free workflow. Let's see what kinds of products work best. The heart of your system is the digital product. The best products are easy for AI to generate, valuable to a niche, and priced to hit your $10/day goal. Prompt packs are popular. AI-generated lists for writers, artists, or marketers. Sell 100 prompts for $5. 2 sales a day hits your target. Personalized printables are another winner. Custom meal plans or planners, generated by AI and delivered automatically. Charge $7, $10 for a personalized plan. Just 1 sale a day is enough. Or sell bundles of AI-generated art, unique wallpapers, illustrations, or digital assets. Create once, sell repeatedly, and let automation handle delivery. These products make passive income possible with minimal ongoing effort. Here's how your automated engine works. In Zapier, set Gumroad as the trigger. When a sale happens, the workflow begins. Customer info and requests are sent from Gumroad to Zapier. Zapier builds a prompt for OpenAI, like, create a 30-day workout plan for customer name, focusing on customer request. OpenAI generates the product in seconds. Zapier formats the output, creates a Google Doc or PDF. The final step, Zapier emails the customer a link to their custom product. The entire process is hands-free, fast, and repeatable. Your customer gets a personalized product within minutes. That's true passive income, powered by automation. Great products need visibility, so let's automate your marketing too. Use a social media scheduler like Buffer or Later to batch and schedule posts weeks in advance. Create 30-50 posts in one afternoon, tips, examples, or art from your product niche. Each post should guide viewers to your product link. Use AI to generate content. Ask GPT for tweets, captions, or hashtags. Load the content into your scheduler and let it run. You can even automate sharing new products to Pinterest or Twitter with Zapier. Automated marketing keeps a steady flow of traffic coming in. This low-level buzz is often all you need to hit your $10/day goal. Launching is just the start. Now it's time to optimize. Use Gumroad's analytics to track daily sales, revenue, and conversion rates. Conversion rate is key. If 2 out of 100 visitors buy, that's 2%. Small improvements, like better product images or a new headline, can boost sales. Experiment with pricing. If $10 isn't selling, try $7.99. Use AI to rewrite your product description or test new headlines. Make one change at a time and monitor results. Track your marketing too. See which posts get the most clicks or engagement. Adjust your content strategy based on what works. Keep tweaking and improving. Over time, your system gets smarter and more profitable. That's how you consistently hit and exceed your $10/day goal. Let's get real. AI passive income isn't magic, and there are challenges. Free tools are great to start, but scaling up may require small investments. Zapier's paid plan, OpenAI API costs, and payment processing fees. Always know your numbers. If a sale costs you 50 cents in fees and API, price accordingly. Not every product will be a hit. Your first idea might flop. Don't give up. Treat failures as learning experiences. Adjust your product, price, or description based on feedback. Passive doesn't mean zero work. Setup takes time. Learning tools, building automations, and creating products. After launch, spend a little time each week monitoring analytics and making tweaks. The income is passive because it's not tied to your hours, but you're still the manager. Be patient and persistent. This is a real business, just highly automated. Set realistic expectations and keep improving. That's how you build a sustainable side hustle. You now have a step-by-step roadmap to build your own AI-powered side hustle. The tools are accessible, the strategy is clear, and the opportunity is real. You don't need a tech background or big investment, just start. $300 a month can make a real difference. Pay a bill, build savings, or fund a hobby. Don't wait for perfect. Start with one product idea and free accounts on Gumroad, Zapier, and OpenAI. Build your first workflow this weekend. Use starter kits, tutorials, and free resources to help you. Every step builds your skills and confidence. The path is clear. The only thing missing is your action. Go build your bot, launch your product, and start earning. Your digital employee is ready to work for you. Take the first step and make your passive income dream a reality.